How's it hanging, guys? And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a YouTube thumbnail for free, because a lot of these other tutorials, when you look at them, they have all these things where you have to pay for them, and not everyone is willing to pay for an app or something like that, or like a trial or something on a website. So I'm going to be giving you guys a free version on how I do it. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take a thumbnail photo, and I already did that, and make sure your lighting's good, so like when someone sees the video or like the thumbnail from first shot, it's not like really bad lighting and it looks bad, because they're not going to click on it if they don't like the thumbnail. So what you're going to do is you're going to screenshot it, and then you're going to take your little pen or whatever it is, I think it's a pen, and you're gonna start outlining your body. A lot of YouTubers do this, but they use PicMonkey to do this. But for PicMonkey, you're gonna have to pay for it, and not everyone is gonna want to pay for PicMonkey and like pay the trial, especially when you can do it for free. And if you don't have an iPhone, I'm pretty sure you could just do this on Snapchat. Okay, so once you've outlined your body or whatever you wanted to outline in the video, then you're just gonna crop it to where the photo was, and you're gonna click done and then click save to photos. So then you're gonna want to go on to this app called Fonto. It is for free, so that's there. And then you're gonna click the camera, and you're gonna click photo albums, and you're gonna click on your outlined one, and then you're gonna click done. And it's gonna be right there for you. And what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna want to click on anywhere on the photo and then click add text. Then you're gonna click font, and when I go to mine, it's gonna go instantly to my fonts, but for you it's gonna be on font, since I'm assuming this is your first time using it. And a font that like every YouTuber uses is like Keep on Trekking, and it looks like this. And when you first get Fonto, it's not going to be on here. You're going to have to actually download it on here, because when you look over here, it's not going to be here. So how you're going to get that is you're going to go out of Fonto, you're going to go onto Safari and search up Keep on Trekking font. Make sure it says font, and then you're going to click the first link, and right there it's going to have a little thing that's going to say download. So you're going to click download, and you're going to click download again, and then you're going to click the little arrow at the bottom that's like, not at the bottom, at the top, that's pointing down. You click on it, and then you're gonna click on the thing, and you're gonna have to have what's it called? You're gonna have to have files for this, and you're gonna go onto downloads, and then you're gonna click onto here, and you're gonna click the little file folder that pops up, and you're gonna click the blank white sheet of paper. You're gonna click on that, and then you're gonna click export, and you're gonna slide all the way to the end where it says more, and click more, and then at the bottom you're gonna see Fonto, and you're gonna click on that, and for me it says installed because I already have it on there, but for you it's gonna just add it onto your My Fonts. So you're gonna click on the photo, click add text, go to fonts, and click Keep on Trekking, and then say whatever the title of your video is. My title is how to, or like whatever you want to put in the thumbnail. It doesn't have to be the title. So how to make YouTube tube thumbnail, and then you're gonna click done. Then you're gonna move it over here into the middle, and if you need to adjust the size, then you're just gonna click size and go like that. I don't need to adjust the size, so I'm gonna put it back to where it was. Then you're gonna click style, and you're gonna change the color of it. So you're not gonna change the base color. The base color is gonna be white, but this is what I like to do. The base color is gonna be white, and then you're gonna go on to stroke, and you're gonna make it a little thicker, and then you're gonna change the color. So I like to pick the colors based off of what's in the thumbnail. So as you can see, like the color that's popping in the thumbnail is like my shirt, because it's pink. So you're gonna go on to pink, and you're gonna click whichever you want. So I think I'm gonna go with this one, and you can make the borders as thick as you want, and you're gonna go over here and make it around this thick, and then you're gonna click done, and then you're gonna go over here and you're gonna click curve, because when you look at the other YouTubers videos, it's like kind of curved like this. So you're gonna go like that. Okay, so once you've got it to where you like it, then you're gonna click the export button, which is gonna be on the right bottom corner, and you're gonna scroll down and you're gonna see a button that says save image. So you're gonna click that and it's gonna move it to your camera roll. You're gonna say okay, and then you're gonna go check on your camera roll to make sure it actually went on there, because sometimes it doesn't. And it made it there. So next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go onto your computer or desktop or whatever, and you're going to do the rest on there. You can also do it on your phone, I think. I just never did it on there, and I think it would be a lot easier to do it on the computer. Okay, so you're gonna make a free account on this website called Canva. It's very simple. All you do is log in with Google. Then you're gonna go on the home page of Canva and you're gonna click on that little search bar at the top. And what you're gonna search is YouTube thumbnail. Once you search YouTube thumbnail, you're gonna click on the little thing that pops up at the bottom, and then you're gonna click blank. Once you've done that, it's gonna load. And the reason why you want to do blank is because you want your thumbnail to be in the background and you don't want other stuff and words to be on the thing already. So what you're going to do is you're going to go click on uploads and you're going to upload your thumbnail to here. I already did that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go click on my thumbnail and I'm going to drag it onto my template and I'm going to make it the background. And also, I decided to change a few things on my thumbnail. I decided to add some things too. So I decided to add the words for free and easy because I just felt like it was kind of blank and empty, and I wanted my thumbnail to pop out because there are thousands of other videos on this topic, so I want mine to pop out to people. Then also I got rid of the YouTube part on how to make a YouTube thumbnail because I just felt like it was taking up space and it was making the letters really tiny. So I decided to get rid of YouTube and make the letters bigger because I want people to be able to see what's on my thumbnail when they look at it, and I want them to be able to read it, because if they can't read it, they're not going to sit there and try to figure out what it says. They're just going to go on to the next video because they have plenty of other videos on the same thing. So after you've uploaded your photo and everything, you're going to go up to the top of your thing and you're going to make a new browser window. Then once you've done that, you're going to go on to the little search bar and you're going to search PNG white aesthetic stars. And once you've done that, you're going to go click on images. And one thing I've seen with Canva, if you're able to see the little PNG squares like you can see now on the little thing, then it's not going to work. But if you can't see them before you click on the image, and then once you click on the image you can see the little checkerboard in the background, then that means it's going to be able to actually work and it's actually going to be PNG. So I've uploaded it to my thing already, my Canva, and now basically what I like to do is I just try to make my stars fit as best as I can, because like I just don't want it to cover up everything, so I just keep on cutting and pasting and cutting and pasting the stars a bunch of times so it fills up every little space where there isn't a letter or like my face or anything. Okay, so I finished making my thumbnail and I'm proud of it, so I'm going to click the download button and then I'm going to click the download button once again. Then I'm going to name my file. I like to name my files by putting what the video is about and then putting thumbnail at the end so I know it's the thumbnail for that video. it just makes it easier for me to find it when it's time to post my video and upload the thumbnail to YouTube. So yeah. Alright guys, so this is the end of my video, and I hope this helped you or you enjoyed it. And if it did or you did enjoy it, then make sure to give me a like, and also make sure to subscribe to get more posts from me. And comment down below your thoughts on the video, if you use any apps or tips or tricks on how to make the thumbnails better or anything like that. And also make sure to follow me on Instagram and add me on Snapchat. They're in my description down below. And yeah, so without further ado, peace and love. Bye guys.